In this video, I will show you how to cancel Shopify Premium. Let's dive in. Whether you are on a computer or a mobile device, you can follow these steps. Firstly, open a web browser. I will use Safari, but any browser will do. Navigate to spotify.com and hit enter. You will land on a page prompting you to open the app, but ignore that. Instead, open its website. Then sign into the Spotify account you wish to cancel the subscription for. Once logged in, you might see the Spotify web player or a different page. Regardless, tap on this settings icon in the top right corner, then select View Account. Scroll down to find subscription and click on Manage Your Plan. From there, you will see your current plan details. If you are on a family plan, your process might be slightly different. But generally, click on Change Plan in the available plans, locate Cancel Premium, and select it. For regular Spotify Premium accounts, your premium access will continue until your billing date. However, with the family plan, canceling the premium will immediately revoke the access. Click on Cancel Premium to proceed. Your premium subscription will then be canceled. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.